So I have a 14-ounce can of some sweetened condensed milk that I'm adding right into the saucepan. Along with that, I'm gonna add 12 ounces of some chocolate chips. And yeah, you better believe it, about a half cup of peanut butter. Oh my goodness, look at that peanut butter. Woo, that looks delicious. Oh, that is gonna be perfect added in there. Of course, you wanna have your heat on about medium, and you're gonna continue to stir that all together till everything is fully combined and mixed. It'll start to thicken up a little bit, and just you wait, I'm about to show you in a moment how delicious this is going to be. Look at how amazing this is looking. You can see how the chocolate is just pulling away. This chocolate peanut butter fudge is just superb. You guys, you have to try this. Along with that, I'm gonna take some fluff. Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add about 2 spoonfuls here of fluff right in, oh my gosh, adding to that peanut butter and adding to that, oh, I have to get that out. And I have to eat that. Wow, it's so good. A fresh jar of fluff, oh my gosh. So take a moment and mix that together, that fluff along in with that chocolate. By now you can definitely turn your heat off. Everything is all nice and melted, so go ahead, make sure you turn your heat off and mix in all of that fluff. Look, are you gonna keep it swirly or are you gonna fully fold it in? I keep losing my spatula. You know what, I can't get rid of them. Dollar store spatulas, and I tell you what, maybe I have some type of sentimental connection to them or something, I don't know. So I'm gonna mix this all together. It's almost there. Man, I can't wait to eat this stuff. I totally wanna get a spoonful right now, but I'm trying to hold back. Oh, this looks fabulous. This is looking so good. And along with it, I'm gonna add some mini marshmallows, you guys. You can add anything that you want to this. I'm gonna throw about a cup of mini marshmallows into that. And then I'm also gonna add some peanuts because I love chocolate and nuts and I want some fluffy marshmallow in there. And then kind of the same thing, I'm gonna add just about a cup of peanuts. Now, anything else that you want, anything that you want to take away, you guys, that is what is so beautiful. So I'm going to fold in all of this now, these marshmallows in with these peanuts, just a little bit into this chocolate. Oh my gosh, it's giving like Rocky Road vibes, isn't it? Oh yeah. So we have some silky smooth, easy fudge all mixed together, and let's just watch that pour right out. Oh wow, baby, that looks fudge nominal. That looks fudge nominal, guys. I'm pouring this into an 8x8 pan here that I just lined with the parchment paper. Oh yeah, look at those marshmallows, baby. Ooh, I am ready for this treat. Let me tell you what, you guys, I've really had a sweet treat. Every week when I'm preparing these recipes, I think to myself, you know, what I'm gonna make, or if I come up with ideas, and I can tell some weeks I'm like really more savory, some I'm really more sweet. And right now I am really more sweet. So here we are coming in hot with this fabulous, easy treat here. You guys, this looks silky smooth. It is still warm. I'm gonna just let this sit just as is. You know, I contemplated if I was gonna leave it, like put more stuff on top, but I think the simplicity and the goodness of the marshmallow and the peanut butter and the chocolate in this is going to be amazing just as is. So I'm gonna set this to the side and let it cool down. You can always pop it in the fridge to speed up the process and stick around, because this silky smooth fudge, I think you're gonna love, love, love this one. All right, we are beyond ready for some tasty fudge here. Now, if all goes well, I should be able to lift this right out. Oh yeah, perfect. This is looking so tasty. I cannot wait to come and grab a big chunk of this fudge. Let's dig right in here. I'm just gonna slice it. Oh, I see those marshmallows in the center. Oh, that looks so good. Wow, this looks amazing. Let's see. Okay, let's check this out here. I'm gonna just pull this one right in the middle. Chocolate and marshmallow and peanuts. I mean, you can't really go wrong with that. All right, my helper's here today. Well, actually, no, the other person in my house that loves chocolate just as much as me. So Erica, why don't you come over here? Here, you can take this piece here. Okay, I'm gonna take this here. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's give it a try. Isn't that like the best fudge? It's like silky smooth. A little peanut butter, chocolate. She likes it. Do you like the marshmallows in there? Would you add anything else in here? No? Just as it is? All right, that's pretty good, I'd say. I mean, normally my kids aren't 100% satisfied with me. So I'd say that this is a winner, you guys. Let me know if there's anything else that you would put in. Like and share. Thank you for being a part of this community, you guys. If you're looking for any recipes, you can find it in my Substack account listed in the comments. Thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you later. Enjoy.